guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's Rejoice here again as always, aka Riri. If this is the first time listening to my channel, guys, you're welcome to my channel. And if you're watching and you're not subscribed yet, or if you're watching and you haven't liked my page yet, if you're watching via Facebook, please click the button down below and first subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and please do like my page also if you're watching via Facebook. So guys, in today's I'll be doing a very I literally don't know what colors I'm gonna use on my palette, but let's play around with it and let's see what I come up with. Stick to the very end of this video. So let's get into it now.
To the land of freedom, I will carry you to the land of peace. The waters, the black land, the green land, the sweet food, the energy. Africa, when Balamina come on, Namera Mesunga, Mesunga, when Balamina come on, Namera Mesunga. Kambesunge Kanechange Ufa Uganda yafe Congo, Burundi, Rwanda, Kenya na Tanzania, Nigeria, Egypt, Morocco, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Chad, Yona, Ethiopia, Tutuka, Huyo South Africa, Kona, 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 Mesunga, Wembana Vida Kona, Mera Mesunga, Mesunga, Wembana Vida Kona, Mera Mesunga, Namagamba Tisobolo Kuba Kumira Wawonga Mwechanga, Namagamba Tisobolo Kuba Kumira Wawonga Mudigida, Nabagamba Tisobolo Kuba Kumira Wawonga Mwechanga, Nabagamba Tisobolo Kuba Kumira Wawonga Mudigida. Mesunga, Wembara Vida Kona Mera Mesunga, 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 Abagenyi.
each day could be amazing. What if you and I are the perfect equation to turn outcomes that are unfavored to a million reasons for celebrating? What if there was no loss, only lessons? What if every breath is just a blessing? And if miracles weren't the exception, could love be your first and only impression? Yeah. When it's raining, lemons get the sugar. When it's less than heaven, let's be gooder. There's no sense in saying shoulda, woulda, when this could be the time of our lives. We could make the best of a bad thing if we didn't even try. We could flip this situation, and this could be the time of our lives. We could build a world with our heartstrings if we'd open up our eyes. This could be the time of our lives. Take my hand and let's start a fire. When was the last time you felt this inspired? Let's become the light we admire. Together we can shine and shine even brighter. What if thoughts and prayers moved us to action? What if every tear turned into laughing? If our priority was compassion, could we pave the streets with singing and dancing? Yeah. When it's raining, lemons get the sugar. When it's less than heaven, let's be gooder. There's no sin